Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we discuss the recent testing of the Neuralink. As someone fascinated by the potential of technology to bridge the gap between humans and machines, I am deeply interested in the recent developments surrounding Neuralink, a brain-computer interface under development by Elon Musk's Neuralink Corporation. The recent testing of this technology marks a significant milestone, sparking both excitement and ethical concerns that deserve our thoughtful consideration. Before delving into the complexities of the recent testing, let's establish a foundational understanding of what Neuralink actually is. Imagine a device that can seamlessly connect the human brain to a computer, allowing for a two-way exchange of information by employing implants to link human brains to computers, enabling people who are blind or disabled to manage computers or cell phones. The company's implant would gather electrical impulses that the brain sends out and interpret them as actions, just like current brain-machine interfaces. That, in essence, is the ambitious goal of Neuralink. The technology itself involves the surgical implantation of tiny flexible threads into specific regions of the brain. These threads contain an array of electrodes that record and decode neural activity, translating the electrical signals generated by our neurons into digital information. This information can then be transmitted to a computer, enabling various potential applications. Musk said last month that the company's first product would be called telepathy, adding that its initial users will be people who have lost the use of their limbs. Elon Musk wrote, "Imagine if Stephen Hawking could communicate faster than a speed typist or auctioneer. That is the goal." Fast forward a bit. Neuralink faced scrutiny after a monkey died in 2022 during an attempt to get the animal to play Pong, one of the first ever video games. In December 2022, employees told Reuters that the company was rushing to market, resulting in careless animal deaths and a federal investigation. But in May of last year, Neuralink received FDA clearance for human clinical trials, and a few months later, the startup began recruiting patients with quadriplegia caused by cervical spinal cord injury or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS. The trial is part of what Neuralink is calling its PRIME study, short for Precise Robotically Implanted Brain-Computer Interface, which aims to study the safety of its implant and surgical robot and to test the functionality of its device. The company said this in a September blog post about recruiting trial participants. The recent testing of Neuralink in January 2024 marked a significant milestone in the field of brain-computer interfaces. This testing represented the first time a Neuralink device was implanted in a human participant. This was a significant leap forward, translating years of research and development into a real-world application. It signifies a crucial step from controlled laboratory environments to actual testing on individuals with specific needs. The chosen participant for this initial test suffers from quadriplegia, a condition resulting in paralysis of all four limbs. The primary objective of the testing is to assess the device's ability to restore some level of control over the body's functions using the participant's thoughts. This could involve controlling robotic limbs, assistive technologies, or even computer interfaces through neural signals. While details of the testing data are limited, initial reports have been encouraging. These reports suggest that the implanted device seems to be functioning adequately, recording and transmitting neural signals without causing any major complications. This is positive news, indicating the device's basic functionality and potential for further development. But it's very crucial to maintain a balanced perspective. There are several key points that require consideration. Firstly, there is limited data. The current data only represents a small sample size and a short time frame. Further research with more participants over longer durations is necessary to establish the device's efficacy and safety comprehensively. Secondly, long-term implications are unknown. The long-term effects of having a device implanted in the brain, particularly related to potential tissue damage or unforeseen complications, are still unknown. Extensive research and monitoring are crucial to ensure the participants' safety and well-being in the long run. Lastly, the testing is still in its early stages, and the ultimate goal of restoring complex motor functions remains a long-term objective. It is crucial not to overhype the initial results or set unrealistic expectations. While the recent testing marks a significant step forward, it's important to view it cautiously. Further research, transparent data sharing, and an open dialogue amongst scientists, ethicists, and the public are essential to ensure responsible development and safe advancement of this groundbreaking technology. Only with careful consideration can we navigate the potential benefits and ethical implications of merging human and machine intelligence in such a profound way. Now let's discuss the potential applications of Neuralink. The potential applications of Neuralink are vast and extend far beyond restoring mobility for individuals with disabilities. Imagine a future where people suffering from neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease or epilepsy could gain some control over their symptoms through targeted neural stimulation. Individuals with paralysis could operate robotic limbs or assistive devices with their minds, regaining a degree of independence. Not to mention, communication could be revolutionized, allowing for the direct transfer of thoughts or memories between individuals. These possibilities are undoubtedly exciting. It is also equally crucial to acknowledge the ethical concerns surrounding this technology. The potential for misuse is significant. Imagine a scenario where access to Neuralink technology falls into the wrong hands, leading to manipulation of thoughts or memories. Scary, isn't it? While initial testing seems promising, the long-term consequences of having a foreign device in the brain remain shrouded in uncertainty. That's not all. The ethical implications of blurring the lines between human and machine need careful consideration. Will our thoughts, once directly transferable, lose their privacy? What does it mean to be human when technology becomes so intimately intertwined with our minds? The recent testing of Neuralink marks a significant step towards a future where humans and machines interact in entirely new ways. Moving forward, we must prioritize safety, transparency, and a commitment to using this technology for the betterment of humanity. The journey ahead promises to be fascinating, challenging, and potentially transformative. As we witness the future unfold, let us remain engaged and informed, ensuring that Neuralink and similar technologies are developed and utilized for the benefit of all. We wouldn't want to establish a real-life Terminator experience. Thank you for watching this video. Would you like to test this Neuralink technology? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.